Hey everyone, and welcome. Get ready because today we're jumping into the absolutely dazzling world of one of nature's most incredible works of art. All right, I've got a question for you right off the bat. Have you ever seen a bird that looks like it's carrying around this giant folded up fan made of pure jewels? You know, one that's covered in hundreds of shimmering, glittering eyes? If the peacock popped into your head, you are 100% right. I mean, people call them walking rainbows or say their feathers look like living jewels. And it is so easy to see why, right? The colors are just, wow, they're spectacular. But here's a little secret for you. What's really interesting is that not every one of these birds is actually, technically, a peacock. Nope, there's a whole family to meet here. So come on, let's get the names straight. Okay, so the super flashy one, the boy bird with all those brilliant knock-your-socks-off colors, that's the peacock. And the girl bird? She's called a peahen. Now, you'll notice her colors are much more muted, kind of brownish, and that's for a really important reason. It's camouflage. It helps her blend in and stay safe, especially when she's protecting her eggs. And what about the babies? You're gonna love this. They have just about the cutest name ever. They're called peachicks. So you put them all together, the peacock, the peahen, and the peachicks, and what do you call the whole family? The correct name for the species is peafowl. See? Now you're totally a peafowl expert. All right, let's get to the main event, the part everyone is waiting for, that absolutely fabulous fan of feathers. But wait, quick fact check, it's not actually a tail. It's called a train. And get this, it is just mind-blowing. A single peacock's train can have more than 200 feathers, and it can stretch out to be 6 feet long. That's literally taller than a lot of people. Think about it. That massive train makes up a whopping 60% of the peacock's entire body length. But you know, they aren't born that way. When they're just little peachicks, they have no train at all. Zero. It doesn't even start to grow until the peacock is about 2 years old. And it takes a whole another year until they're 3 for it to become fully, completely, fabulously magnificent. So that makes you wonder, right? Why would they go through all that trouble, growing and carrying around this huge, heavy train of feathers? I mean, what's it even for? Well, it's pretty simple, really. It's all about putting on a show. The number one reason is to impress the peahens. The peacock will fan out that amazing train and just strut his stuff, showing the ladies how strong and healthy he is. And you better believe that the bigger and more brilliant the train, the better his chances are. He even shakes his feathers, get this, about 26 times a second to make this rustling sound and vibration. It's basically a one-bird dance party to find a mate. Oh, and as a bonus, those big eye spots can also help startle and scare away any predators. Okay, here's a super cool secret about how those feathers shimmer. Those incredible colors, they don't come from something like paint, a pigment. Nope. They come from teeny tiny crystal-like structures on the feathers that bounce light around in a very special way. That's why the colors seem to change and sparkle when the peacock moves. It's an effect called iridescence, and it's the secret sauce that makes them so incredibly dazzling. But believe it or not, there's so much more to peafowl than just their pretty faces. Let's take a little peek into what a day in their life is actually like. So for starters, let's talk food. They're omnivores, which just means they eat both plants and animals. So they'll snack on things like seeds, berries, and insects. But here's the wild part. They are amazing snake catchers. I'm not kidding, they'll even hunt and eat poisonous snakes, like cobras. This actually makes them super helpful for people, keeping villages and farms safe where they live. And you'd think that dragging around that giant train would slow them down, right? Well, think again. Peafowl are mostly ground birds, and they can book it. They can run up to 10 miles per hour to get away from danger. And yeah, they can fly, but usually just for short bursts, like flying up into a tree to roost safely for the night. And let me tell you, these are not quiet birds. A single peafowl can make at least 11 different sounds. Their most famous call is this super loud screech that honestly can sound a bit like a cat meowing or even like someone yelling help. You could hear it from miles away. And get this, they even make a super low sound with their rattling train that our human ears can't even pick up. It's called infrasound, and other peafowl can hear it just fine. So when you add up all these amazing, unique features, it's clear that peafowl are truly special. And that brings us to a really important topic. What does the future hold for them, and why do we need to think about protecting them? Well, the story here is kind of mixed. There's good news and there's some not so good news. The most common type, the Indian peacock, is actually doing great. It's the national bird of India, it's protected there, and its population is thriving. That's awesome. But other kinds, like the green peacock from Southeast Asia, are unfortunately classified as endangered. And the number one threat for endangered peafowl, like the green peacock, is something called habitat loss. It's pretty simple. When people clear forests to build farms or cities, these incredible birds just run out of places to live, to find food, and to raise their little peacocks. And that kind of leaves us with a big question to think about, doesn't it? After learning about all the incredible, unique, and surprising things about the peafowl, it really makes you wonder, what is it that makes an animal special enough to protect? Is it because they're beautiful, or because they're rare, or is it something else? It's a really important question for all of us to think about as we figure out how to share this planet.